everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art. Just want to let you know that I'm coming to you currently from Southern California, where we just flew out here to be with our daughter for her baby shower. She's due in December, so that's really good news. And then we have our son's wedding that we're going to be going to in a couple days. And we came out here for these life-changing events for our kids that we had planned for several months before Helene decided to change our lives. So I just wanted to let you know that we're really looking forward to all these events. The videos I have upcoming were creations that I made prior to Hurricane Helene deciding to change our lives. And I'm just trying to now get started uploading some of these videos. So without any further ado, I think we'll get to the video. But I just want to let you know that that's what my current situation is. And any videos you see in the next few weeks will probably be older videos that I'm just trying to release. And then I'll hopefully be getting back to art pretty soon when we get back. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and welcome to my channel. I'm having to do a voiceover on this because I had music playing in the background and I can't have that on YouTube. So what I've got going on here is another coaster set with my earth tones, which are very popular. And this is with my Multi-Pro. It's 47-3110, and this is my pillow that I'm laying down first. I'm giving it a little spin here to start it to stretch out. And now I'm going to lay down my colors. I will list the colors in text as we go through this. And what I have here for my colors, I mix them with my pouring medium, which is my video 140. And what I do in my pouring medium is I mix it currently with my Valspar 833124 and my MinWax semi-gloss at a rate of about 3 parts Valspar to 1 part MinWax. And that currently is working for me, but I'm considering other options at the moment for pouring medium. I'll link above my video 140 where I do create the pouring medium. I show you how I make it, and in that video I show you using Glidden 6413N with MinWax gloss varnish at a rate about 3 to 1. The Glidden and the Valspar work about the same. I just like using the Valspar now because it's more readily available and the store is closer to me for ease of pickup. So here I'm just laying down the last color, which is my Golden's Carbon Black. And if you haven't noticed, Golden's is one of my favorite paints I like to use because it's highly pigmented, it lasts a long time, and it goes a long way. So it's very, very good paint. So here I am laying down the colors. And then after this, I'm going to lay down my cell activator. The cell activator I use in this is my American Floetrol cell activator, video 141. I will link it above. It's a quick 8-minute video. I show you the ingredients I use to make it, how I make it, and the consistency of it that you should be looking for as you lay it down. And you only need a little bit. I believe there's a thinking that if some is good, more is better, but in this case, you only need a little bit, and more is not better, because the more cell activator you put down, the longer and the harder it is for the cell activator to activate by allowing the paints underneath to push through. So here I am getting ready to do the blow, and I do have a video on the blowout if you're having trouble with your blowouts. It's video 419. I will link it above, but in general what I do is I blow straight down into that cell activator to get it to open up in as much of a circle as possible, and then I aim my blow directly where the cell activator meets the paints, and I blow it out in all directions until I get it fairly covered like you see here. So right after this, you're going to see me pulling the pillow paint to the edges to give all of the composition a place to flow to as I get ready to spin this out. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put on some music and just let you watch the process, and I'll be back when I need to say something again. So what I'm doing here is I'm using the toothpick to pop some of the air bubbles or remove some of the white spots by just kissing the tip of the toothpick to the white spot. And the white spots are created when the pillow paint pushes through the colors, and that white pillow shows up as a white spot in the composition. But it's easily removable with a little bit of pressure from the tip of the toothpick, and it brings the colors together. So I'm all done with the spinning and just a few more bubbles to pop here, and I'll call it done. So I'm about ready to show you the final wet results, and I am so happy with this color combination. This is an oldie but goodie, but it works every time, and people love this color combination. I love it so much I made 7 more coasters and a variety of other things that you're going to see upcoming. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and these are 4 of the 8 coasters I created using this color combination. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a very popular color combination. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you're new here and like this, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. So at the end here, I will have a link to my coasters playlist where you can see other color combinations and other creations. And I'm just going to say right now, I'm very glad to be back, at least sharing some of these creations and hopefully getting back into art soon. So that's all for now, everybody. Take care until next time.